been searching for a family vehicle and the Sienna is what you've decided on, I bet you didn't know that you can get the console cooler and vacuum in the limited model without going all the way up to the Platinum, which is going to save you thousands. If you have little ones, then you're probably going to use this feature more often than not. But today I'm going to show you how to actually clean the filters and also how to remove the trash from that vacuum. This is your optional cooler and vacuum. The cooler is going to be up top, so there's a button that you press there. These are your buttons here, and this is for your vacuum right here. And you're going to find your hose right up here to be able to attach right here. To the left right here is a 1500 watt inverter. Once you've done vacuuming, you need to be able to empty that. So you're going to reach down at the bottom, you're going to pull this little lever right here. This door comes off. You also have a separate container right here. So this is your container right here that you're going to use to empty your trash right here. So you look to the sides right here, you have a latch right here. You also have one here. What you're going to do is you're going to pull up on those. So that's one that's done and the other one is done, and it hinges right in here. So you're going to pull back, and that's going to expose your filters. You have two filters. You have one here and you have one here. And this little hinge right here actually holds this filter in here, okay? So the first one that you're going to remove is this one here. So squeeze it on both sides and it comes out. So we're going to set that down. Now once we remove this one here, we're going to pull this up. Okay, that's going to release it. Grab right in here and pull up and back, and it comes out, and you'll be able to clean this here, guys. Once you've cleaned this here, this part right here is hollow. This one is not, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take this part right here and place it back on this little piece right here, okay? So push it in. And you're going to push that piece down right there. So push that piece down, and that's going to hold that in, guys. So right now it's held in. It's not going to come out, right? So now you take this piece here and you place it back in here. This side right here goes to the side. It's a little bit, notice this is a little bit larger on this side than it is this side. So you're going to place it right in there. Oh, misaligned it. There we go. So it goes right down in there, and you see it's kind of at an angle, but that's the way it fits, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to close this top here. You're going to click this little tab right here. It's going to click on that side, press it down. You should hear a click. Then you're going to turn it to that side, press down. You can hear a slight click right there. So what you'll do, you'll take this right here, press it down, going to put it back down in this little hole right here. You're going to take this piece here, you're going to put it back on there, and it's going to click back, guys. So there you have it. That is how you remove your lid right here and remove the trash from your vacuum. And you can also, you notice right in here also, guys, it is only for dry usage, guys. It is not a wet vac. So if you spill anything, you don't want to use this right here. This is strictly for a dry vac. So any crumbs or anything like that the kids may have wasted back here in the back, potato chips, Fruit Loops, you know, things like that. When young kids, when you take your younger kids on a road trip, this is something that you might want to use right here to actually clean up those. Or like I said, you can get a little broom or something like that, and you can sweep it up all in one pile and just suck it up with this right here. So great option, guys. So guys, this is a $2,400 option right here. The console cooler and vacuum right there, $23.99, so $2,400. But is it worth it? If you have younger kids, then it may be worth it. It may be cheaper for you to grab a vacuum like from maybe like a Target or something like that, a Walmart, and it may be less expensive than this right here. But like I said, this right here is an option in the limited model Sienna, and it is standard in the Platinum models. But let me know how you feel about the optional cooler, okay? So if you want to keep your drinks cool, you're going to drop it right in here. That's more of one is a chiller and one is a cooler there, okay? It's going to keep that ice nice and cold for you. But let me know whether or not that's a valuable option for you guys, or whether or not you find it more valuable to grab a small vac from, like I said, maybe Target or either Walmart. So guys, that is your console cooler and vacuum available on the limited model and standard on the Platinum model in the Sienna. You know how you feel about that? Is it too expensive? You can have this right here on board. You don't have to carry a separate vacuum, but if you do carry a separate vacuum, then you notice you do have that 1500 watt inverter there that you can plug it in, guys. So nice and easy. Let me know if that's a better option, or whether or not you do like the option for the console cooler and vacuum, guys. So, but let me know how you feel. Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found the information helpful, make sure you share this with friends and family. You can find me right here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Threads. right here at Andre Drives. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you next time.